Ladies and gentlemen, creators, welcome to this CapCut tutorial. I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on your video clips. So let's get into it. We have a video clip here, and the audio in this video clip is in actual fact just talking as you're hearing now. But let's say that there's something in the background that's making some noise. You want to remove that. There are a few ways to do so. So we're going to click on the actual clip and it'll open up this box on the top right hand side, and you can select audio from here, and this will give you a whole bunch of audio controls. Now as you go down, you can see that the first thing is enhance voice. Okay, so once you click on this, you can pull the voice out of your audio and it will lower the background noise or anything that is not actually voice. Now I've used this before on a very windy audio clip and it worked fantastically. One of the other things you can do here is the noise reduction. Okay, this does also help very nicely. And then the vocal isolation. What it basically does is it takes vocals, it identifies the vocals, and then it removes anything that is not a vocal. And I think this is probably one of the better ways to remove. You can also, once you have this, you can keep the vocal or you can remove the vocal. Now, let's say you have a video and there's somebody talking in the background, you can remove it. And if you would like to keep the vocal and remove the background noise, you can do so exactly like that. So with so many options, you can really go ahead and you can remove any type of noise that is unwanted in your video clips. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of CapCut how-tos to help you learn and to help you grow. We'll see you over there, folks. Peace.